everybody, welcome back to another video. This week we're doing an update on my chalk painted couch. About a month ago, I chalk painted this couch. If you haven't seen that video yet, I will link a card up above so you can go check it out and then come back here to see how the couch is doing a month in. So, personally, I'm a little bit disappointed with the results. While this top portion of the couch looks exactly like it did when I got done painting it, this bottom portion, the seat, especially this front edge here, has not held up quite as well as I expected. However, I do not want this to be discouraging for those of you who are considering whether or not to chalk paint your couch, because I'm pretty confident I know why it hasn't done so hot. And let me get into that. I genuinely think it's because I'm a get to the project kind of gal, you know, I'm a let's get into it, let's do it, and let's move on and get it over with, because I'm just so excited to get into the project. So I think the mistake was that I didn't thoroughly clean the couch before I started painting it. Sure, I went over it a little bit with some Lysol, but I didn't really focus too much on cleaning the couch. So I think had I, maybe gone in with some water and a sponge or something, however you would usually clean leather couches, I think I would have had better results, because whatever oil or grime or dirt was on the couch must have just made it where the chalk paint did not adhere as well as it should have. Furthermore, one key aspect to chalk painting is protecting it with the decorative wax. And that's not my most favorite part of chalk painting, so I didn't do, again, the most thorough job going over it to ensure it was protected. Nevertheless, please don't let my faults discourage you from chalk painting your own couch, because I'm still so happy with the results. This is so much brighter in the room. It's so much cozier. It's so much more easy to decorate, and I just love it. In fact, I think, if I ever get more chalk paint, I'll just clean it, go back over again, and do a better layer of decorative wax, and boom, problem solved. It's really no big deal. So, if you're planning on painting your couch, please go for it, do it, take the risk. It's a lot of fun, and it looks great regardless of my own mistakes. Yeah, so I'm so glad you guys liked that video. Hopefully you like this one too. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for requesting this update video, and I hope you have so much fun chalk painting your own couch. Be sure to like and subscribe to UniCommunity if you want to see more crazy upcycles or whatever it is I do on this channel. And follow UniCommunity on social media, because I am doing a lot of exciting things that YouTube does not get to see. I am decorating, I'm macrameing, I'm making candles, I'm doing all kinds of crazy stuff. I'm planting now. Maybe I'll do a video on that, because plants are big and in style right now. So stay tuned. Comment down below if you have any other questions about the couch. I'd love to answer them and help you guys out with my experiences. And yeah, so good luck. Everybody have a great rest of your day, and thank you all for watching. Bye. I genuinely believe